With Just in Mind, you can use a dynamic panel to make content expand and collapse in your prototypes. The layout control allows for a fluid layout between child objects that are dynamically connected to each other. If one child object is hidden, the following objects will appear in its place. To reproduce this example, create a new web prototype. Add the iOS 9 icons widget library by clicking on the plus icon in the Widgets tab and selecting the library from the dialog. Drag a dynamic panel to the canvas. Resize it to match the example. In the Properties tab, change the layout to vertical. Drag another dynamic panel to the canvas and place it within the first. Resize it to match our example. Add a second panel to it. Resize panel 3 so that it covers half of the first dynamic panel. Drag a text widget to the panel and rename it Collapse. Below the text box, drag a paragraph widget and write the preferred text. In the right-hand corner, drag an Up icon from the iOS 9 widget library. In the second dynamic panel, select Panel 2. Drag a Down icon from the iOS 9 widget library and place it in Panel 2 in the same position as the Up icon in Panel 3. Then, drag a text box into the panel and place it in the same position as the text box icon in Panel 3. Rename it Expand. Now, select the Down icon and add an On-Click and Set Active Panel event. Select Panel 3 from the Outline tab as the panel to be set as active. Click OK. Back in the canvas, go to Panel 3, select the Up icon, and add another On-Click and Set Active Panel event. Select Panel 2 as the panel to be set as active. Click OK and then simulate to interact with your prototype. Now, select the second dynamic panel using the Outline tab and copy it. Then, select the first dynamic panel and paste it. And that's it. Click Simulate to see and interact with your prototype. You will be able to see how the elements are pushed up or down when a panel with a different height is shown. The layout controls the position of the elements when some of them change height. You can also expand and collapse the content horizontally if you change the layout of the panel.